day 4 and we are here at the beach club for some breakfast at Cape May Café. Bit of a more of a chilled day today, and then we are heading off to Blizzard Beach afterwards, which is really exciting because it's the first time we've been able to go there for a number of years. So yeah, a bit more of a chilled day today. Asking you, what are you going to go on at Blizzard Beach today? Are we going to go on Summit Plummet?
Yes, I want to go on every ride that is fast, exhilarating, and really high up.
But yeah, it'd be exciting. We've not been to Blizzard Beach, have we, for ages?
Oh, yeah, not since 2019, I think.
Yeah.
Did we go then?
Yeah, we did, yeah. Mummy and Theo ahead of us. They're doing loads of construction work here as well.
Oh, gosh, that's quite long.
Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it?
That's okay.
It's just that. We go so fast.
So you do the surfing dance.
Yeah.
And we've been all nice food.
Can you get up?
Yep.
Yeah.
You are looking cool, you are ready for the beach. Yes.
Yeah.
Surfing, yes.
We love your hat. Very cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you going to get up and have a picture?
Hey.
Just like, thanks. Do what we're doing. Absolutely. Oh.
Ah. You're the best, Donald. Number 1. Bye. Like your ears?
Yeah, very good. You've been surfing? Maybe.
Yeah.
Surfing?
You can bring in surfing?
No.
No?
Can't surf.
Just this.
Fine. Yeah, I get it. She snuck up on you. Please. Oh, look how happy Theo is.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Daisy.
Oh, thank you. We've been having a lovely breakfast.
Your Theo's favourite, Daisy.
It's the penguins from Mary Poppins. Yeah. Very good.
You're blushing, Theo. Morning.
they are.
We just had breakfast at Cape May Café. Theo, what did you make of it?
I didn't eat very much because I wasn't that hungry, but I would give it probably about 4. There's quite a lot of like choice that you could have.
Yeah. What was your favourite thing?
They had ironic because it's breakfast, but they had these really nice taco things that were quite nice. It was like just like a fajita mix that you could put into like a tortilla.
Yeah, I was a little bit disappointed with it. I think I'd give it a 3.5 out of 5. The service wasn't great. Put in a side room as well, and it was like really messy. It didn't feel like you were sort of in the main area of the restaurant. But the food was nice enough. Yeah, what did you have that you enjoyed though? You had the pancakes, did you?
Well, yeah, I did have chocolate. Thanks.
Yeah,
They were nice.
is that nice? And what mark did you give it then?
The restaurant or the food? Because I'd give the restaurant and theming the 5, but the food I'd give maybe like a 3 actually.
We weren't seated in the best bit of the restaurant when we've been before. We've been seated in the main part, and that feels better. But the characters are great. The food is nice. I'd say that you can have not the most interactive serving staff or the best location in any restaurant. So I think it's still somewhere nice to go. I'd probably give today's visit a 3.
Hey, they're all cooked, I'm winning.
Winner!
This is like 5 feet.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yeah. How was it there?
My God, it's a 90 degree.
I know, I like flew up in the air, like, yeah. No, I can't let's come out of there because you got.
Nothing further starting.
No, I don't think nothing of it done. Oh, the water would have been nothing.